welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on and share with you guys really quick a card that I recently created, and it is a shaker card, and I just made this for a really sweet friend that I just wanted to lift up her spirits, so I really hope she likes it. So here is the card. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this card I just recently posted. So I think it's so super cute, and like I said, it does shake. So here is the front, and then I did finish off the back. So I just have this lacy heart die that I cut out of some plaid paper, and then that's my handmade stamp. So this is my first time actually coloring up a Marci stamp, and she is from La La Land Crafts, and I had picked her up at my local scrapbooking store, and I think she is so cute. She's on her little motorbike, or is that like a Vespa? I'm not sure, but as you can see, I actually had the stamped image from the packaging right next to me when I was coloring, because like I mentioned before, I'm used to just coloring the skin and the hair, and the clothing and other items on the stamps are really they're overwhelming for me sometimes because I have no idea what to do. So this was a great reference, and as you can see, the colors are just brighter than what is on the packaging. So that is the stamp that I use, and she is a pretty big stamp, but I do like the way that she came out. And then for my shaker piece, I just used a scallop circle with the stitching, and I actually used 2 layers of fun foam because I wanted to really fill this up, as you can see. And I colored the frame because I cut it out of white cardstock on the top, and I used the same colors that I used for the bike, but I kind of did it in a gradient ombre kind of fashion, if you guys can see that. So one side is supposed to be lighter than the other, and then I had to shimmer it up with my Spectrum Noir glitter pen. This sentiment right here is from a new stamp set that I recently picked up, and it is this one. It is by Pretty Pink Posh, and it is called Encouraging Greetings. So I used the Sending You Smiles Across the Miles, which I thought just went really cute with the little bike that she's riding on. And I backed the inside portion of the shaker with it's a Lawn Fawn paper pad. It's something that they came out with a while back. It's one of their perfectly plaid paper stacks. And then I just went to town filling up the inside. The greatest thing about rainbows is that you can put in any color, so that's what I did. So there's seed beads, there are sequins. I think I did put some confetti pieces. There's some hearts in there, they're gold. And for the background here, I used my Lawn Fawn stitched rectangle die to cut out the panel out of Bristol cardstock, and then I used my Distress Oxide inks and some stencil brushes to give it a more kind of hazy look, I guess I want to say, because when I did use a regular foam ink blender, it just was really, really dark, and I wanted the focus to be on this cute little image. And originally I had added some Nouveau drops, but I really didn't like the way that they dried, so I actually just carefully peeled them up and then used my gems that I got from Lucy's Cards, and it just gives off so much sparkle. And the sentiment is actually heat embossed. It's with a granite embossing powder, and I just kind of fussy cut around it so it would fit in this little area. You guys know me and my sentiment placement on my cards because normally I don't have any room. And then it's just the top folding A2 size card. I used 120-pound cardstock from Michaels. So I will write my note in there for my friend, and then I just finished it off on the back. This paper back here is from the Lawn Fawn Watercolor Wishes. So that is my card share. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think. And also, I've never done it before, and I am by no means an expert, but if you guys want me to do like a short process video on doing, I can do like the skin and the hair using Copics, let me know. If I actually do an entire image, it would take a really long time. I'm a pretty slow colorer. So let me know down in the comments section below if you would like to see a process video of me Copic coloring the skin and the hair. I really am still new to Copics. I really don't color as much as I should, and I need to practice some more. So I have no problems showing you the way that I tackle it. Maybe it'll help somebody else out. But like I said, I am by no means any type of expert. Half the time I have no idea what I'm doing. But I thought it'd be just a fun thing for me to try and share with you guys. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.